Hey guys, this is Scratch Bits here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a maze game on Scratch. So the first thing you want to do is go to your projects and create a new project. And we're going to name this maze game. Alright, so once that's finished, we're going to want to delete the cat. The next thing you're going to want to do is head over to this website called mazegenerator.net. And you're going to want to make sure that the shape is set to rectangular and the style is set to orthogonal and the width and height is 20. Keep all these settings the same and click generate. Now this is your maze, and you can click down here and change to an SVG and then click download. And now we can import that SVG into Scratch for the maze. So if we go over here, we do create a new sprite and we do upload sprite, we can go to where that maze was downloaded from. We can click and we can click it, and then bam, it's imported in the Scratch like that as an SVG. So since it's an SVG, it means there's no quality loss because it's actually using what Scratch uses to render stuff. So yeah, it's pretty nice. I like the maze.net, it's pretty awesome. So this is basically our playing grounds. We're going to move this to the center. Let's move this exactly to 0, tab 0, 0y, 0x, and then alright, so next we're going to want to make a character. So let's not do that. Let's paint a new sprite. And then we can just make a little circle. So we're going to make no outline, but you can make the circle whatever color you want. So you can do, like, we're going to do red, for example. And then that, a lot smaller. Like, that's probably a good size right there. Make sure it's centered. And go to the code. So let's move the maze up a little bit towards the top. And let's go into the maze costume actually real quick. And we're gonna go up to the top of the costume, and we're gonna make a bar at the top that has a certain color. We're gonna make it green. Now this is gonna be the finish line, so when we're gonna make it in the code, so when the ball goes over the finish line, it's gonna make confetti fall and stuff. So, or you could add that if you want, but yeah, we're still gonna make it so that ends the game. Alright, so next we're gonna go back to the code with the dot. This is gonna work. Alright, there we go. And then we are going to make the code now. So we're gonna go, when green flag clicked, forever, and then make an if else block, import that in, and then we're going to do if key pressed. We're going to do up arrow, duplicate that, put it in the else, down arrow, duplicate that. So we're making 4 if else variables. Down arrow, right arrow, and then left arrow. So these are the controls. So when we press up arrow, we're going to want to move, or we're going to want to change the Y by 5 or by 1. Not set Y by 1, sorry about that. Change Y by 1. God, Scratch, this is just not my day. Alright, change Y by 1, duplicate that. Down arrow is change Y by -1. Change X by God, this is so annoying. Change X by -1. Actually, we could get rid of this else thing down here because we don't need it. So put the if, just put an if in the bottom one. Don't get rid of that, just get rid of the else. And there we go. Oops. Now we got our basic movement code down. So if we do up, we should go up, go down, we should go down. But one thing is we can clip through you can see we can clip through here. So how do we make it so the sprite doesn't clip through, and we actually have to solve the maze to finish it. So to do that, you're gonna wanna come over here and add a make another column. So we're gonna do another if green flag clicked, when green flag clicked, if. Gonna make a forever block, put that inside there, and then if and sensing color the red. It's touching black. So let's do this. There we go. Then we are going to make it, okay, after that we're going to make it we're going to duplicate this, bring this in here. If up arrow press, we're going to change this, all these to the opposite values. So we're going to change -1 to 1, and then 1 to -1. So -1, 1. There we go. And we press green flag. Now it should no longer clip through. Yep, there we go. It can't clip through. Awesome. So now let's add a winning component to the game. So we're gonna do let's make this an if else block. I'm gonna change this color, touching black, else, if color red is touching this green up here. We're gonna have it broadcast you win. Make a new message, call it you win. We're gonna make a new sprite. We're gonna make it say you win. Change the color to black. There we go. And then set it to 0, 0, 0, XY. And then for the code for this one, we're gonna do when green flag clicked, lux, hide, and then control or events. When I receive you win, show. So let's test out our project, shall we? So here we go. Now this is a big maze, so this is going to take me a while to solve actually. So I'm just going to speed this section up. And it's the final countdown. Yeah, we won! Woo! Yes. And that's pretty much it, guys. We made a maze game. Awesome. It's pretty cool. Your players can, if you want to add something better, you can make it so the dot goes back to the beginning every single time. And so, yeah. Alright. Awesome. So we won, guys. Yay. So that's pretty much the basics of it. In the next episode, we're going to talk about making, how to make the backdrop switch and how to make new levels and stuff. So yeah, catch you guys in the next episode for this series, and thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next episode.